Here's my Hexbug Nano starter set. What the heck? This one was just going fast. Now it's dead. Here's my habitat. And here's my race set. I don't have the battle bridge, the spurl, the elevation, or the glow in the dark sets. That's 8 more I don't have. And that's a lot. They bounce still, but once they're undead, they're not gonna bounce no more. And this one's still really fast because it gets up. And the blue one didn't really. Nope, you're not supposed to be in there. Wonder why it makes that noise. Just got power back from resting last night, but it's not for long. Nano 1 and Nano 2. What the heck? Oh, there it is. This side, oh, this side, when it's on this side, it makes it go, and when it's on this side, they can't push it, and say stop. So that they can't go in there, because they go in the wrong way. When it gets here, the flag will pop up. And no enter there. They love to race. One is always the winner. Oh, he wants to race again. Don't do it again, please. Oh, he wants to do it again. These ones are all down's been dead, and now it's getting dead. But they'll be changed soon because they'll be completely dead. Oh, there's a red one in there. The red one. Da, da, da.